Hello, I'm Chris with Sentinel Security Solutions. Today we're going to be going over your Alarm.com thermostat and how to replace the batteries in it. Simply go over to your Alarm.com thermostat, gently grab it on top and bottom, and rock it off the wall to pull it away. Flip it over, you'll see your batteries there. These are just regular AA batteries. Go ahead and pop them out, replace them with your new batteries, making sure that the positive is pointing in the correct direction. Once you're done replacing your batteries, just gently line it back up and push back on all four corners to snap it back on the wall. And that's how you replace the batteries in your Alarm.com thermostat.